Источник Plus, closed joint stock company, has designed and developed the serial production on a base of defense industry achievements of reasonably priced, efficient, fast-acting powder fire extinguishing modules TUNGUS, which provide fire extinguishing of the seeds of fire arising in automatical, autonomous or self-triggering mode in early stage of fire origin. Such solution makes it possible to avoid large fire damage at minimal costs for modules installation. The modules are general purpose, extinguish solid, liquid, gaseous substances and electrical equipment under tension without taking into account the value of firefighting powder discharge voltage in the room and into the open area. As to efficiency, the modules exceed several times other types of fire extinguishing means. TUNGUS 5 module provides firefighting powder emission through annular slot in radial in plane direction. Such solution allows to avoid forming of shaded areas. As a result, reliable fire extinguishing of objects with complex geometry, such as ventilation wells, cable channels, space under false floor and behind hung ceiling, is provided. The module can also be used as a throughable device for extinguishing of seeds of fire difficult of access. It can be used by persons as an efficient firefighting mean before fire brigade arriving to the fireplace. High efficiency of the modules is provided owing to high firefighting ability of the powder and high intensity of powder supplying to the seeds of fire. The modules are actuated from electrical signal of low power. Starting current is 120 mA. So the devices have rather simple design and reasonable price, available for mass consumption. The modules provide firefighting powder emission in any direction, so it makes possible to avoid forming of shaded areas and to provide a reliable fire extinguishing of objects of any configuration and extent. During the usage of various modifications of the modules, fire defense of objects of almost all purpose and geometry is provided. Based on TUNGUS 24 module, a mobile fire extinguishing system TUNGUSKA, based on a vehicle, motorcar or tractor, was designed. It consists of 9 or 18 TUNGUS 24 modules and is recommended for extinguishing of the seeds of fire in settlements far from fire stations. TUNGUS modules have high performance. In contrast to existing domestic analogs, they can be used within the temperature range of -60 to +90 degrees centigrade for 10 years without any technical maintenance. The modules can be used in all climatic zones, and they are the products of multiple usage. Powder fire extinguishing modules TUNGUS are the instant and efficient means of fire seeds extinguishing. Research and production company Источник Plus has designed, certified and implemented into serial production gas fire extinguishing generators GGFE based on solid gas generating compositions. The use of solid propellant composition ensures the absence of excess pressure in the generator frame during long-term storage. That eliminates the leakage of gas extinguishing agent. Specified service life of the generator is 10 years of operation in the temperature range from -30 to +50 degrees centigrade. In this case, maintenance work or special maintenance during its service life is not required. For the consumer, a prompt on-site recharging of the firefighting mean becomes actual, which solves the problem of time minimization of the object stay without fire protection. At present time, 3 modifications of generators GGFE1, GGFE3, GGFE7 have been developed, which include respectively 1, 3 and 7 cartridges. Each generator consists of a set of autonomous devices, cartridges, that are separate products with functions of launch, gasification, gas cleaning and release of extinguishing agent into the fire zone. Cartridges in the required amount are compactly placed in the generator frame. After the actuation, it is possible in the shortest time to replace the cartridge and connect the generator to the control system of automatic gas firefighting set. Automatic gas firefighting set is designed to extinguish fires Class A, B and E Electric equipment under voltage. Autonomous gas fire extinguishing set AGFES is an autonomous set of gas fire suppression based on two generators of gas fire extinguishing GGFE1 mounted inside a 19-inch frame, 2 units height. The set is designed for automatic detection and extinguishing by actuating one or two GGFE1 depending on the volume to be protected. When assembling with one GGFE generator, the set has a designation as AGFES1. With two generators, AGFES2, autonomous gas fire extinguishing set is applied for fire protection of electrical communication racks, floor or wall cabinets, and other equipment that provides the ability to mount the set inside. All products are certified by the certification body for tests of FIGU Emercom of Russia. Generators of gas fire extinguishing are implemented for fire protection of objects in Russia and abroad. For example, at the new production facilities of the German company Mark Ward, Sibiu, Romania, the Stadium Kazan Arena, 35 telecommunication rooms are equipped with autonomous gas fire extinguishing systems based on GGFE TUNGUS. Generators GGFE7 are implemented for the protection of the server room in Bees. New development: water fire extinguishing modules. Using a wide experience in the development of modular means of powder and gas fire extinguishing of its own production, Источник Plus company has developed and introduced into serial production several modifications of water spray modules TUNGUS. Modular water spray fire extinguishing sets TUNGUS, containing 13.5 liters of extinguishing agent, reliably extinguish seats of fire in the area up to 30 square meters, from a height up to 6 meters. Источник Plus, honor and quality.